planets underneath my feet. Kicked it with an owl, he began to speak.
Nigga, why so down with your head above the clouds? Why you just below the heavens in suspension, never grounded?
I greet the sun with the wake and bake. Stump punk trivia while she's sucking on my Sex Pistol.
Feeling
something with Joey, Johnny, and Tommy in the lab like Didi, cause his potency is getting murdered. So we just pass it to the left.
Pass it to the left. Pass it to the left. Mine this shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo. Shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo. Pass it to the left. Pass it to the left. Mine this shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo. Shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo.
Yup. Flow it on, my nigga. Black boy fly through these wild times, nigga.
Shit, we don't struggle, we just talk shit. Well, except when we struggle through them topics. Fuck it, let's skate them. Longboarded for the mileage. Blood off the shirt, rub some dirt, no bandages. Eyes wide, low ride, dubs on that south side. Burgundy Impala's got spokes for that G-Red. So we just pass it to the left.
Pass it to the left. Pass it to the left. Mine this shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo. Shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo. Pass it to the left. Pass it to the left. Mine this shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo. Shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo. Shit so fucking fat. Got a lighter with a Zippo. Shit so fucking fat. Got a